hands down, probably our best-selling model of Corvette. 2003 Chevrolet Corvette, 50th anniversary convertible in this case. This one also has automatic transmission, and of course paired up with that 5.7 liter very popular small block Chevy engine underneath the hood. Very reliable engine. 50th anniversary red is what this paint would be called. Now, this particular car came to us out of Arizona. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, adult driven and owned. I have not seen any sign of paint work on this car, and a little over 12,000 miles. So low mile example, very nice shape. Let's take a look at this front fascia nose cone. Let you get a good look at that. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Yeah, you might find, I don't know if I can even see it or get any to stand out, maybe a little touch up of a rock chip, but boy, if there is, they're few and far in between on this one. Get a good look at that. You can see the luster of the paint. Paint's in nice shape. Again, these were just shy of $60,000 new, so typically driven by adults, and this one definitely shows in its condition. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. These do not last long, like I said. Easily our best-selling model Corvette. This particular one is still riding on the original tires, if that tells you anything about how it's been driven. They did not chew through the rear tires or front tires as far as cornering, tracking, anything like that. So that should give you an idea how this car has been taken care of. As you can see, body side molding, that would be an option. Now, there is pictures of the window sticker, copy of the build sheet, owner's manual, all the stuff that goes with it. There's pictures of that. This one has select ride, and I did mention the automatic transmission, center console, and you can see the select ride switch there. It does have the CD changer in the trunk, as well as the rear performance gears, 315s in it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, these would have a manual top in the C5s. Very easy for one person to put up and down. It would be shale colored fabric to match that interior. It is a leather interior in these. Now, of course, the 50th anniversary package gave you all kinds of standard options with that. And again, you can check that out on the window sticker that I have a picture of with the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. I believe these were just shy of $58,000. Brand new is going to show you that on the window sticker. If you take a look at it, look at the reflection coming off the paint. Also, wheels, no curb rash, anything like that in any of the wheels. Those look good. This is the black 50th anniversary floor mats that were added. Of course, over here, take a look. Power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seating, bows, heads-up display, power seats both sides, dual climate control, and you can see the leather, great shape, bolster in nice shape, nothing worn, anything like that. Just what you'd expect for these kind of miles. Let's start this up so you don't have to listen to that beeping. There's your exact miles, 12,622. You're going to notice no warning indicator lights, anything like that on. Just the seat belt, since I don't have it on. There's a CD player up here also. Again, dual climate control. There is the changer in the trunk. Dash, everything. Great shape. If you can see your heads-up display there it is. And of course, that selective ride I mentioned earlier. There's your switchboard right there. Alright, slip around to the back of this. I did not notice any aftermarket exhaust, cold air intake. And again, you can double check that. Take a look at the underside pictures. You're going to see the exhaust system, everything else on there. Nice sounding car. Yeah, double check that exhaust system out there if you want to see what is on it. That'll be with the underside picks. I'm going to open the hood here, check out the engine bay. We're going to put up the top so you can see that. So let's hold on 1 second and let's pop this hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Boy, what a nice tidy engine bay we have here. First of all, look at the underside of this hood. See the hood liner clean. Tell this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather. Smooth running, again, stock, intake. Everything looks stock underneath there. What you'd expect. Again, clean Carfax, very well taken care of car. And it definitely shows. One thing else I want to show you, I'm going to close this hood a second. Alright, headlights, I'm going to clip these on a second. Just want to show you that they work. These things were kind of known for the gears spinning and making some noise after they came up. And I'm going to show you my little guy that's helping today. This is Kyler right there running around the car. He's going to make a cameo appearance. He's a little shy, so he might take off on us. All right, I'm going to pause this one last time. Let's put the top up and check out how that top looks on this car. Got the top up now. And again, manual top, like I mentioned before, easy. One person can go up with it. Very simple top to use. It is a fabric top. As you can see, free of rips, tears, holes. This one is in nice shape. And again, a little over, what, 12,000 miles on it. Should be. Rear glass with rear defog in it. Not a plastic window by any means. Nice glass window in there. Again, shale color to match the interior. It's going to do its job. Keep you dry, keep you out of the sun when you want to put that up. There you go. Low mile, 2003. Chevrolet 50th anniversary Corvette convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You call it